So good morning students. So as I told you, I will show you today how to convert meter square to centimeter square and centimeter square to meter square. And also today I will give you one practical activity to write down, okay? So let's start. So here the first thing that you can see is I have written something here giving arrows. So what is the meaning of this? From meter square to centimeter square, if you want to convert, you have to multiply 10,000. Once again I am telling, from meter square to centimeter square, if you want to change, you have to multiply 10,000. And next one is from centimeter square to meter square, if you want to change, you have to divide 10,000. Simple thing. From meter square to centimeter square, you have to multiply 10,000. And the reverse process, from centimeter square to meter square, you have to divide 10,000. This thing you have to remember. Okay? So now let's do some examples. So first one. What is the question? Convert. This is the first question. Convert 2 meters square to centimeter square. So how to do this? 2 meters square. First you have to write like this way, okay? 2 meters square equals to 2 into 10,000 centimeters square. As I told you, from meter square to centimeter square, you have to multiply 10,000. So 2 into 10,000 centimeters square. If you multiply, your answer will come 20,000 centimeters square. Okay? And one more thing. After multiplying this 10,000, you have to change the unit here. Previously, it was meter square. After multiplying, you have to write down centimeter square. Next question. Convert 1 by 5 meters square to centimeters square. Another question. So again, same thing. 1 by 5 meters square equals to 1 by 5 into 10,000 centimeters square. Now here you can cancel 5 ones are 5 and 5 2,000. If you multiply 5 with 2,000, you will get 10,000. So here 5 ones are 5 and here if you cancel with 5, you will get 2,000. So your answer is 1 into 2,000 means 2,000 centimeters square. Okay. So don't forget to write down this unit. After multiplying with 10,000, here write down centimeters square. Next one. 3. Now convert 30,000 centimeters square to meters square. Now the reverse. Now centimeter square is given. You have to convert to meter square. Okay. So what is the rule? From centimeter square to meter square, you have to divide 10,000. Okay. So again, write down the same thing. 30,000 centimeters square equals to 30,000 by 10,000. Now once you divide with 10,000, here you have to write down the unit meters square. So 30,000 by 10,000 meters square. 0, 0 get cancelled and your answer is 3 meters square. Okay. Number 4. Convert 5,000 centimeters square to meters square. Now your question is 5,000 centimeters square to meters square. So again, so 5,000 centimeters square equals to 5,000 by 10,000 meters square. So again, when you are dividing with 10,000, you have to change the unit meters square. Now these 3 zeros get cancelled. Your answer will come 5 by 10 meters square. Now see, there are two ways to write down the answer. Either you can write down 5 by 10 or you can cancel 1 by 2 meters square, or you can divide or you will get 0.5 meters square. Now how from 5 by 10 you are getting 0.5? How? This is a decimal division. I think you have already done in class 4. So again, this one here I have directly written the answer. I will show you how to do this divide. 5 by 10 means 0.5. So let's do this divide here. So I have written the division here, yes. Okay, so 10, 5. Now see how to do this divide. Here it is 10 and here it is 5. Okay, so this is not divisible because here it is bigger and here it is smaller. So first you have to write down 1 0. Okay, then give your point and here write down 1 0. Again I am telling, first here it was only 5, so 10 and 5 not divisible, so 1 0. Then give 1 point, 1 0. After giving point only 1 0 you can write here. Now 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. So 5 by 10 means 0.5. So that's why I have written here 5 by 10 means 0.5 meters square. So this is basically how to convert from meter square to centimeter square and from centimeter square to meter square. This is the main formula you have to remember, these two. So now in the video only I am giving you some 10 questions to do. This one, these are the 10 questions. You first of all pause the video and write down the questions. Okay, so I'm not going to tell this one. This is your homework, the same process that you have done. First see this, there are 10 questions. This one, convert 20,000 centimeters square to meters square. This question is, which playground is bigger? The one measuring 120 meter in length and 52 meter in breadth, or the one measuring 112 meter length and 63 meter in breadth? And the last question, find the area of a square whose side is 7.5 cm. So these are the 10 questions, okay, that you have to do as a homework. So first again I am telling you, pause the video and write it down. Okay, so this one is your homework. So pause the video. Now I told you that I will give one practical to do. So the next topic of the practical that you are going to do is this one. So biography you have to write down, as I told you have already done in class 4. So here experiment number 2, that is activity 2. And date here I have given 17/8/20 because on this date this video will be uploaded on your school website. So on Monday's date is 17/8/20. Now what is the heading we'll give? Heading is biography of Shakuntala Devi, the famous mathematician. She is also known as human computer. Okay, so biography of Shakuntala Devi. So how to start? We'll write down like this: name Shakuntala Devi. Then I've written the date of birth is 4 November 1929. Place of birth Bengaluru. So I have just given the starting one. Okay, you will give this heading like this, and name, date of birth, place of birth I have already written. Then from the next page here we will start writing about Shakuntala Devi. Maximum 2 pages you will write down, okay, not more than that, maximum 2 pages. And you will write down what about her achievements, from where she has done schooling, why she is known as human computer. Okay, so this is your activator number 2. and those 10 homeworks I have already given. So those homeworks, you pause the video and do it, and this activity you have to write down and send to me. Okay, so today up to this much. Thank you.